configuration with that particular software spec, and actually you're 40% of those. So it's like, okay, great. So you could just wangle it to be anyone you want.
Probably with Amazon, I don't know, they are probably a massive share, but if they were able to argue, oh, we're not 33% of all online sellers, they'll probably be able to go, but you're more than that in book sales,
well, yeah, exactly.
You're more than that in shoe sales, or some random thing.
They can narrow or expand the categories to be convenient to themselves. So this isn't even a hard thing. But anyway, non-compliance with investigations can result in a fine of 1% of global revenues on companies, which is around 20 grand or something per day for non-compliance for individuals. Right? So 1% of, if you're a company, it's 1% of your global revenue. But if you're an individual, £15,000 a day for non-compliance. So you basically have to either do this or pull out. Right? They're not going to allow you to continue. And so Elon Musk basically...
Video protected.
Attention. This is how I found out.